Nasa hotel na kami dito sa Jackson, Mississippi, Holiday Inn. And you know what it is? It's room tour time. Ayun, mag-room tour na tayo. So, hindi na ako lalabas. Ito na lang. This is the entrance door. And then, anong ginagawa mo dyan? What are you doing?
I'm checking to see if there's a thermostat.
Oh, okay. Please ignore that. Ano ba itong asawa ko? So this is our room. Here on the right, we have ang gulo naman itong asawa ko. This is the bathroom. Ayan. Sheets. Towels. Hi guys! Ayan, ito. This is actually a new hotel. Kaka-open lang nito. And hindi ito yung yung usual na nandun lang sa, anong tawag nito? And then sa gilid lang nakalock yung shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, soap, ganyan. Ganito lang siya. Meron. Needs improvement. This is the sink, of course. Toilet rolls, towels, and that's our shower. Hindi yung yung rain shower thing. And they have hair dryers right here behind the door. Don't know why they put the hair dryer there. So this is the bathroom. And then we have our microwave here. Coffee. Here is our coffees. May baon ako, of course. Hindi pa mawala lang. And stop doing that. I'm doing a video. That's the fridge. Yan, nilagay na yan yung water. Tsaka cook namin. And this is my snack bag. Hindi pwedeng mawala yan. And here, yeah! Dress. Hindi ko naayos ito. Samok ba niya akong banaw? Dress is from Fashionista Señorita a la Red on Facebook. Please visit Fashionista Señorita a la Red. Yan. Beautiful dress. Advertise. And ito. They have the iron. Safety box. And then hangers. And this is our bed. Look at that. It's actually big. It's big. It's nice. This is the entrance. Yeah. King size. Yeah, this is king size. That's our bed. Yan. TV. Big TV, drawers, office table, mirror.
Where's your cord?
And we have another, ang gulo ng asawa ko, nagro-room tour ako. Daan ng daan. Ayan. In-on ko yung light, in-off naman niya. Ano ba to? Ang gulo mo. And the couch, the air conditioner. And this is our view for today.
There's no view. Well, it's okay. Here.
Ano ba to?
Here. Okay.
Kasi sabi ko magro-room tour ako. Ano bang? Ay, naku. Ewan ko sa kanya. Okay, this is our view.
You
Ayan.
got palm trees and stuff.
Ooh, look at that. And there's the pool right there. They have a pool and there's the moon. This is our view. Nasa side kami. There's the highway right there. Sorry, the highway's on the other side? Nope, it's on that side. Or this in the back. Stop doing it! Ay! Kalagot, bagin mo, ambot ni mo, samok. Okay, Rakalia. So this is our house. Stop. Ang gulo ng asawa ko. Ano ba ito? Ayan, enough naman niya. Ay, ambot na lang yun. Namalong naman nagsuga ng tuhanan ni Lupit pa may na vampira. So this is gonna be our home for the next 3 days. Yeah, this is gonna be our home for the next 3 days. Ayan. Pahingam na kami or we might look for dinner. Hanap kami ng dinner. Basta naka-check-in na kami. Nice, very nice. Very nice Holiday Inn. Ayan. Wait, 6:05 na pala. Ayan guys, 6:05 na. Alas 6 na pala. Pero tirik na tirik pa rin yung araw. Parang parang 4 p.m. lang or 3 p.m. So, ayan. Pagod kami sa biyahe. Where are we gonna have dinner?
I know where you want.
There's no kuan here man. There's no Jollibee. Hello, what happened to my nails? Anyways, update ko kayo later guys. See ya! Hanap kami dinner. Ayan, ang dilim na naman ang kwarto nito eh. Ang tidy na guys. Hanap tayo dinner. This is the hallway. 6:24 PM na po. Ayan, tirik na tirik pa rin ang araw. Yan. This Holiday Inn now open. There it is. Jackson. There's Holiday Inn right there. No, right there. Not that one, but this one. Oh, we're going to the interstate. Nakakasilaw yung araw. It's 6:28 pero ayun, tirik na tirik pa rin yung araw. So yeah, hanap kami ng dinner. Nagpunta pala kaming calls kasi magde-drop siya ng isang package. I-return niya, i-return. It's so low. I have to like cover you with my head. So ayan, and then we're gonna have dinner at Longhorn Steakhouse. Never been there. That's why sabi ko sa kanya, let's go. Binigyan niya ako ng option. Yung nakita kong Hong Kong Chinese restaurant, buffet restaurant, or a Longhorn. And I said, let's go to Longhorn. I've never been in Longhorn. I've always eaten buffet at a buffet restaurant. So mag-iba naman tayo.
Olive Garden's good. Italian.
And actually, I asked him if there's an Italian restaurant here. There is Olive. Where's Olive then?
It's right. It's not far either.
It's not far. Let's go to Olive restaurant then. I wish or I hope they have a what do you call this? Arancini balls. I really want arancini balls. Miss ko na yung arancini balls.
I think they got them.
Yeah,
They
hopefully.
got some kind of spaghetti roll.
Yeah, it's like not the entree. It's appetizer. Yeah. So sige, update ko kayo guys.
Jesus.
That.
Prime time.
So we changed our mind. Instead of going to Olive Garden,
Changed their mind twice.
we changed our mind to what is that? What's the name? Longhorn Steakhouse. Then we got there, Longhorn Steakhouse.
They
It says
changed their mind.
we have to wait. There's like a 1 hour wait. I'm like, no.
They changed their mind.
Nope. They changed our mind. That's true. So, sabi ni husband, try na lang namin itong Applebee's. Nandito lang din sa malapit. Kasi I've never been to Applebee's as well. So, here's Applebee's right here and we're gonna try it. We'll see.
It's a popular place.
Yeah.
I hope it's.
Applebee's is right here.
Yeah.
May mga tao. Off natin kay may mga tao man. So we're now at Chili's. This is take 4. Ewan ko ba sa kanya. So we're at full moon. Miskig dili full lang moon. Pero namin sa full moon. This is restaurant take 6. Ambot na gidani. Full moon barbecue place. Ambot lang yun mo baby. Ambot nimo. Ambot nimo.
It's salty.
So we ended up at Full Moon, right? Full Moon barbecue house, barbecue something. Yeah. So we got pulled pork sandwich, brisket, and then the fries. Yeah. Let's eat, guys. Finally, after it's already 7:53. Mga unami, guys. Ayan na naman siya. Pinag-exercise na naman niya ako. Ito. Stairs tayo, guys. Well, we had a long day. I was surprised. Because you made me... But you have to do the stairmaster. Yeah, there's the highway. Hindi ko alam po nakikita niyo yung highway. Or interstate. Dito na kami. Bahay. Bahay namin. Hindi mo ma-express. Hello guys! So ayun na nga, nasa hotel na kami. Balik na kami sa hotel. It's already 8:53 na po ng gabi. So we end up going to 6 restaurants. Diba yung una is sa Olive Garden yung ano namin. Olive Garden. And then when we went to Olive Garden, daming tao. So we went to Longhorn. Was it Longhorn Steakhouse? So we went to Longhorn Steakhouse. Ang wait time is 1 hour pa daw kasi maraming tao. And then we went to Applebee's. We went to Applebee's and then ganun din yung wait time. And then we went to ano ba yung isang restaurant na pinuntahan namin? May isang restaurant pa kaming pinuntahan. Nakalimutan ko na. And then he decided to just go at the Chinese buffet restaurant. And then on the way na nadaanan namin yung full moon na barbecue place, restaurant or barbecue place. So sabi niya yun na lang daw kasi since nagki-crave ako ng pulled pork sandwich, masarap din daw dun. Kaya ayun, buti nakakain din kami mga 7:30 na yun. Nakalimutan ko na. Basta napagod ako. Kaka-drive namin and then we stopped by sa Walmart. Bumili kami ng water because wala kaming water. And then some popcorn and ano nga ito? Croissant. Ayan, bumili kami ng popcorn kasi nakalimutan ko magdala ng popcorn. And then, bumili din ako ng croissant. All butter croissant. Masarap yan. Pang snack ko dito. Kaya, ayan, magko-close na ako ng vlog, guys. Pagod na ako. Ay. So, I think that's it for today. Ayun si husband, nagja-jogging, nagsa-stairmaster. So, ayun. So, I think that's it for today. Maraming salamat po. I hope you enjoyed my video. Paki-like na lang po and paki-share ng videos natin. And please check my other videos as well. Maraming salamat sa mga nakapag-subscribe na yan. Pagod na ako. So, once again, thank you po. And may everyone have a good night. See ya in my next vlog po. Bye!